This video is sponsored by Artlist. Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add 3D screen animation to your screenshot, photo, or videos inside Premiere Pro, as you can see on the screen. So, let's get started. Alright, now we are inside Premiere Pro. As you can see on the timeline, I have got a screenshot of a product page from my store. First of all, we have to create an adjustment layer. That's why, go to the project panel and right-click on it, and then go to the New Item section and click on the adjustment layer. Next, we have to click on OK. After that, let's drag and drop the adjustment layer to the timeline and video layer too. In the next step, let's move over to the Effects panel to apply an effect. This is a basic 3D effect. Let's drag and drop the basic 3D effect onto the adjustment layer. Next, go to the Effect Controls panel to customize the basic 3D effect. Here, you'll find several options to customize your 3D effect. The Swivel property rotates the footage horizontally, and the Tilt property rotates the video vertically. The Distance property controls the depth of the 3D effect. Firstly, we have to make the Swivel parameter value around 7 degrees. And then, let's make the Tilt parameter value around -25 degrees. After that, we have to make the Distance parameter value around -23 degrees. Alright, now you can see the changes on the program monitor. In the next step, I am going to show you how to add animation to this screen. So, let's move over to the Effects panel to apply an effect. This is a transform effect. Let's drag and drop the transform effect onto the adjustment layer. Next, let's move over to the Effect Controls panel to customize the transform effect. First of all, we have to make the scale parameter value around 112. Next, move the time indicator to the beginning of the adjustment layer. And then, click on the stopwatch icon of the position parameter to add a keyframe. Next, we have to make Y position property value around 262. And then, let's move the time indicator to the end position of the adjustment layer. Now, we have to make the Y position property value around 562.9. Alright, now we are done. Let's see how it looks now. As you can see on the program monitor, it looks great. In this way, you can add a basic 3D screen animation to your photos or videos.